Ooh. Got him. Hey, finally got a fish. If you don't come off. Oh, he's about to come off. He's about to get in there. Woo! I thought I was gonna get skunked today. Yep. The old Rapala pulling through. How about that? Oh, guy, but still, I'm happy. I'm happy about it. Goodbye. What it is, guys, we're out here on Lake Kissimmee today, and as always, I really don't have a plan for what to fish or how to fish or where to go. So I'm just kind of bouncing around trying to figure out different things. So far I caught that one fish that you just saw on that Rapala next to some pads, kind of shallow. So I'm gonna continue what I'm doing, trying to figure them out a little bit here and there. I'm gonna keep throwing this Rapala and see what else I can find. But let's see what we can get. What the? How'd that happen? I just lost my hook, my weight, and a worm. Is this how today's gonna go? Is this really how it's gonna go? Oh no, don't. I missed it. I missed it. No. Ah. Damn, he had a hold of that too. Big old bite mark in it. I think it was a mudfish or a gar. Here's the teeth marks. Right there. And right there. No way that'd been a bass. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh my gosh. Get in that spot where I want, alright? No. Right there is where I wanted it. Oh. Oh, you son of a gun. You son of a gun. He took my worm. You little thieving, Guggen fish. Whoa. Holy sh**. That was a big fish. Holy f***. Got him. That's not the big fish I saw, I don't think. I thought I saw a big fish, but it might have been this guy. Whew. I just saw something big shine and turn on my bait. I don't know if this is it or not. I'm gonna keep throwing out there. There we go, got it out. A little smaller guy, but let's see if there's a bigger one around here. Dang! Holy crap! Ah! Ow! Oh, whew. Good thing I didn't go through the barb. I went to grab the fish and the hook popped out and got my thumb. But there you go. I was swatting bugs off my leg and had my lure just sitting there. My line just started taking off. All right, put her back. Oop. Goodbye. Oh, come on. You weren't supposed to do this. Right in the bug city over here. Get out of there. Oh my gosh. Here we go. There we go. Hold on. Can you hear that? That's a freaking swarm, man. Oh, going up my nose. Oh God. Oh, you. Ah! Ah! It broke off again. Ah! All right, retied. Where did the wind go? It's like dead calm now. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Oh, what the hell's going on? I just cast it and it just broke off again. Oh, I'm so angry. I don't know if I should even use this anymore. It keeps breaking. I don't know what to do. Oh no. Oh gosh, no. I just done screwed it up. I screwed it. Oh my God. There we go. Ah, they're going to my eye and stuff. I can't see. Woo! 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 I gotta go. I gotta go. I gotta go. I gotta go. Oh my God, they followed me. Charlie motor, come up! Ah! Oh, geez, that was horrible. That was like that other time. The one time I got attacked by bugs. Dang. Oh no! Oh! Oh. I can't breathe. I can't breathe because I'll breathe while he's in. It's getting so hot, my glasses are fogging up. Come on, stay on, stay on, stay on. Woo! Yeah! That's what I'm talking about! It's worth getting hot, getting bugs all over the place, losing 3 lures. Oh man, hooked good, man. I can't get it out. I'm shaking. Oh, look at that. Yes. Nice, maybe 4, 4.5, maybe 5. I don't know. That made the day. That made the day. Yes. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Man, I was so worried that my line was gonna break from all the other times it broke. And that fish was pulling me into that brush so hard. So hard. I didn't know what to do. I was so scared, man. Oh, he got off. There's a little guy, but pretty sure he got off. Yeah, he got off. Damn. I had one. But he got off. Swap me out for a lily pad. No, 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 no. All right, I'm gonna end it there. Today was okay. I mean, I really didn't have it planned like I usually don't. I ended up catching some fish, one decent one, and a few other little ones. What I did really to catch all those was just on the Rapala and a worm. So I don't know what the whole pattern was today, but at least I caught some. If you want me to go to any other lakes around in the Central Florida area, put it in the comments down below and I'll try to go to them and try to fish those areas and see what I can get out of there. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, God, I said enjoyed. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like on the bottom, subscribe if you have subscribed yet, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.